In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can increase text size on Instagram. You can simply customize to any size of text on your Instagram account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. Scroll down onto the option of accessibility. You will have to select the last option of per app settings. Tap on Add App. Select Instagram. Then you will have to customize how you want your Instagram to look like. To increase the size of letters, tap right here and customize to any preferred size. You can also make your text bold. You can as well label words on your Instagram. That's how easy it is to increase the size of texts on your Instagram account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.